Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let me go back, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find this option, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter. Here we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, it is 25 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then the camera and phone. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So, you've got two different ways to check some further details. So either you can tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in specific days of the week. You can of course compare them, you can tap on them, you can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and you can scroll down also and check the list of apps which you've been using, in my case for example on Sunday or Monday, and the specific time you've spent on them. So that's quite nice. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings or camera or whichever app you've got here listed. So let me tap on the settings, and as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. I also forgot to say it before, but here in those ways to disconnect, we've got app limits. So if you will decide that you are spending too much time on a specific app, so for example, the social media or browser or YouTube or whatever, you can find it right here on this list, and then tap on this hourglass icon. Then you can set the app limit. So your device will limit basically the specific app for example 5 hours and 30 minutes. It's totally up to you if you want to set it or not. I just wanted to share it with you because I think it's really useful. The same as the, for example, focus mode in the ways to disconnect. So for example, after entering the focus mode, you can select different distracting apps. So probably social media or games or whatever is distracting for you. You can basically mark them here, then set a schedule and choose specific days of the week, specific time. So it will, for example, start at 9 a.m. and end with on 5 p.m. and then tap on set, and basically your device will limit the notifications in those days and in those hours. It will basically hide the notifications, so you'll be able to rest, you'll be able to spend the time with your family, you will be able to work or study or whatever you need to do without the disturbance. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.